Hello students, how are you? Students, yesterday I explained third part of the lesson. Now today I am going to explain fourth part of it. Now listen. He wondered often whom he would have married if he had not met Hannah, and by what luck he had found her in the most casual way, by chance, literally, at an American professor's house. Students, the writer is saying that Sadao considered himself to be lucky to have met Hannah by chance in the most informal way at an American professor's house. And he often used to think, if he had not met Hannah, then with whom he would have married. The professor and his wife had been kind people, anxious to do something for their few foreign students. And the students, though bold, had accepted this kindness. The writer is further saying that American professor and his wife were kind-hearted persons, and they were always ready to help their foreign students. And the foreign students, even after being bold, were ready to accept American professor and his wife's kindness. Sadao had often told Hannah how nearly he had not gone to professor's house that night. The rooms were so small, the food so bad, the professor's wife so voluble, but he had gone, and there he had found Hannah, a new student, and had felt he would love her if it were at all possible. Dr. Sadao, the writer is saying that Dr. Sadao often used to tell Hannah that the day when he met her at American professor's house, the day when he met her at an American professor's house, he did not want to go. He did not want to go to American professor's house that day, because the rooms of his house were very small, and the food which used to be cooked by American professor's wife were bad in taste, and American professor's wife was also talkative. Because of those reasons, Dr. Sadao avoided to go to professor's house that day. But if he had not gone, if he had not gone to American professor's house that day, then he would not have met Hannah. And when he reached American professor's house that day, he met Hannah at his house, because Hannah was new students, and after looking at her, he admired her beauty and decided to fall in love with her if she would belong to Japan. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation, and tomorrow I will explain next part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.